We're going to go over how to add a ModWing to your Four Brothers holster. If you ordered it without a ModWing, the holster will come with threaded posts, spacers, and screws. If you order a ModWing replacement kit from us, it will come with all of the hardware you need for installation, and the process is rather simple. You're going to remove all of the hardware from the holster. So 2 3/8 screws, 2 1/4-inch spacers, and 2 1/4-inch threaded posts. Set those aside. You will not reuse that hardware. I want you to take out your contents of the ModWing kit. Set aside the ModWing, the inserts, the 832 nut, and the 832 flathead screw. First step is to, if you're OCD, organize your hardware. First step is to spread the two sides of the holster and insert the eyelets through the inside facing out towards the front. It should look like this. Second step, leaving your hand in place, is to add the 2 threaded posts like this, and then add the 1/4-inch spacers on those posts. Once you take your hand out, the threaded post, spacers, and eyelets should look like that. Place your ModWing on top of the eyelets like this, and then add your 5/8 screws, and then tighten it up. You want the gap between the two sides of the holsters to be even, the two sides of the holster shell to be even here and here, and this gap, if set on the mean or the middle right where we set it, that gap should be exactly 200 thousandths. So that's a little bit like that and like that, and you can see it's perfectly even. Once that's done, you'll take your nut, insert in the back side of the ModWing, take whichever insert you want, whether it be the large insert or the small insert, install it on the ModWing face, and then add your 832 flathead screw and tighten it down. That's what it'll look like in the end, and you can keep your spare parts and your whichever insert you didn't use in the bag for future use if you ever decide to take the ModWing off. Let us know if you have questions.